Alright y'all, what's up? Ride Lifestyle back with another video. Like I said earlier, two-part video, same day, same gym clothes. Actually didn't even make it to the gym because had an emergency happen. So outside at the crib right now, outside at the crib, man, about to go ahead and get this red diff change, the fluid change. So, you know, I got everything I need, got my drain stuff and this. So I got the full synthetic 75 W90 gear oil. So yeah, I got the full synthetic because like when I was looking it up, you know what I'm saying, this is what we need for extreme pressure. So like we racing and, you know, doing burnouts and stuff like that. This is the route to go, you know what I'm saying? And you want to change it, you know, often. Like I said, well, it depends on how much you actually get down on it. Because if you like normal wear and tear, just highway driving and, you know, regular driving, it'll be you know, it'll be a whole lot longer. Like it'll last the life of the vehicle, honestly. I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff set up. Oh man, my stupid freaking thingamajig about to die thing. Oh well, I'm gonna get this set up and then I'm gonna pull my tools out and then we're gonna get started. This video before my tripod die or my stabilizer, my pieces, and we'll get into it. So let me get this car jacked up so I can actually fit underneath because like, yeah, I can't get under here, so I'm gonna get it jacked up, camera turned around, we're gonna get this thing started.
Huh?
I know what that call me.
All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and get this started. I got my Allen key right here because it shouldn't be tight. So underneath you're gonna have, let me make sure you guys can see it. So you're gonna have two plugs, right? You know what I'm saying? A fill plug and a drain plug. All right, so to make this actually go a lot faster and, you know, not have the little sludgy bubbles and stuff. I don't know if y'all ever did, you know, drain fluid out of anything before, but you always want to take off the top one. That way the bottom one can breathe, you know what I mean? Boy, if y'all can see the way this thing look, oh, it's black. Damn! When I say black, I mean dark. So I'm gonna sit this here, make sure no rocks or nothing get into it. And this one, where all the magic is at. There you go. Oh!
Ow! Charlie, that really hurt.
Y'all, the diffuser done slapped the heck out of me. All right, now let's, hopefully, I don't miss. All right, you ready? Boop, magic. All right, y'all, we're gonna let that drain for a second. Y'all can see it, yep, it's draining in there. That's my top one, I'll leave my bottom one over here. Oh man, I'll leave my bottom one over here by me. I know what I forgot. I forgot my tech wipes, my blue wipes. So after this drains a little bit more, oh, this stuff is black. Yeah, I should have changed this a while ago, man. That's on me. So what's crazy is this isn't gonna be a long video unless I just add to it because I want to take off all these underglows and redo it. I'm actually thinking about just doing that right now because I'm sick of it. So the one up front already got freaking what's that word I'm looking for? Clipped. It got clipped off when the car was being jacked up and the wire is hanging. So I might as well just go ahead, start all over, get back in contact. Oh yeah, in case y'all forgot, you know, use code Nemesis10 and you can get these nice lights, you know what I mean, from One Up Lighting. But man, y'all see how I look. This is how I look laying in bed.
Hell no, to the no, no, no. Hell to the no, hell to the no, to the no, no, no.
Yeah, I know that's TMI. Y'all like, what the f this dude on? But yeah, now that that's all done, move, man. Let me flip it back around so y'all can see what's going on. So like I said, remember now, fill hole, drain hole. So I let it drip. It's about done. Go ahead and put this on. Bruh. Alright, yeah, I'm struggling. Hold on. It's hard trying to do this at the angle I'm at, man. My bad, I keep hitting the phone. Can you still see? Yeah, alright. Hey, there we go. And now, let me get this in here. Put that in there. There we go. Then you squeeze it.
Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
I am dumb. I forgot to take the, you know, they had a little plastic piece on it at the top. Yeah, kind of got to take that off. But please don't, just bear with me. Like I said, it's my first time doing it. So that's in there. All right, let's squeeze.
Eventually.
Alrighty, y'all. There's that. Now, go ahead and get my top one. Put that on there. All right, and that's it. Come here. All right, y'all, so that's it. And for the size Allen key that I used is the, I think this one is the, all right, yeah, this is the 5/16. So I used this one, the 5/16. So that's the one I used to do it and everything. So appreciate y'all for checking out this video. You know what I'm saying? If you're new, you know, like, share, comment, subscribe. I don't really know. I don't want to say I don't know. I'm learning how to work on my own vehicle, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just putting it out there, like, so I've done, you know, done the minor stuff like brakes and all of that stuff and alternator changes, but I never actually messed with, like, you know, stuff like this. So this was fairly simple. You seen, I gave y'all the measurements, 5/16. I'll put it in the description below and everything of what I used and stuff. And yeah, I'm finna go ahead and get this thing for a test drive, and we'll see if it shifts better, see how it works. So matter of fact, this is not the end of the video. I'll take y'all with me for this test drive, so we can, you know, see how much better, how it shifts. So catch y'all in the car. Before I forget. So as I was talking about before, why is my camera looking like that? All right, as I was talking about before, so you know, you pull the launch control up on the clusters, right? And you know, you can set your RPM where you want to go, right? So when you press the button to activate it, you'll see this right here. You know, it said to brake, you know, apply brake and quickly apply full throttle. So what you want to do is, I got my foot on the brake right now. So what you want, wait, let's let this car go by. It'll cancel out. Oh, line lock cancel. Because I don't know, there was a cop and I'm kind of on a curb. So, all right.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh, shoot. Y'all, I'm tripping. I hit the brake with my left foot. You know, you got no finesse with the left foot. All right. So, anyway, here we go. So I got it in track mode. All right, so I'm gonna press the launch control button, right? Boop. I would put the camera out there, but it's raining. And so now it says to launch, press brake and quickly apply full throttle. So as you can see, I got my foot on the brake, right? And what you do is just put your foot straight down. So hold the floor, hold your brake, and then just boom. So now it's doing launch control. I got my RPMs up to where I want to be. It only hold it for 10 seconds. And then to go, you just release. And that's launch control, man. That's launch control. And I'll be honest with y'all, I feel a big difference with that by itself just because, hold on. So before, when it started doing that, it'll do the, and when it goes to shift into second gear, it would, but that time, I don't know if y'all noticed, I didn't do that. It was a lot smoother. It was just a lot smoother, and I like that. I like that, so he's gonna do it again. So the tires I got on here aren't meant for that, you know what I'm saying? I had the Nitos on there, that plus, well, maybe it's because the road is a little wet. So since the road is wet, it's gonna do that again. So I'm gonna stop it, and I'm gonna turn it around, and we're gonna go through it one more time. So I activate launch control. Come over here, don't forget, you hold the brake down, don't forget now, at this point, now you push the pedal to the floor. Boom, it goes up and jumps. And now at this point, you just wait for the light to come down. Do, do, do. Oh yeah, man, that's a lot better. That's a lot better. I got no grip. Like I said, I got no grip right now because the road is wet. But yo, I feel a big difference. Like, all jokes aside, a big difference with the with that going. Because, you know, like I was saying, I was dragging the heck out of my car. I was running it hard. So you got to take care of your vehicles, and your vehicles take care of you. You feel me? So I gotta, you know, get with the. I do good with the oil changes and the, you know, tires and stuff like that. But that red dip, I kept letting it go to the point where I just forgot about it. You feel me? So yeah, y'all get 2 videos for the price of 1. You know what I'm saying? So that's how you do launch control, and you learn how to change the differential fluid. So there y'all go, man. I just gave y'all a free game. You feel me? So what I'm finna do is take my behind home, and you know, I'ma chill with the fam bam. So like I said before, man, if y'all want me to do more of a vlog style, y'all can see what I'm doing every day, you know what I'm saying, then we go from there, you know, and, you know, I'll do that. I'll be happy to turn this off, but we're on. Oh, no. Oh! I done dropped my phone. But anyway, yeah, just let me know down below in the comment section, like, for real, if y'all want me to do like a vlog style, because I got a lot of funny stuff that happened. I just don't be thinking to record it because my mind be on, all right, car stuff. But, you know, I can stray away. I can do the, you know, daily life thing, you know what I'm saying? Because it's funny. Y'all know I got no sense. And matter of fact, I can show y'all, let me show y'all a clip from my Snap. And I'm going to drop my Snap link in here as well. So I'm going to show y'all a clip from my Snap, too, when I was at CDL school. Because my Snap be lit. So if you want to laugh, check out the Snap.
Y'all know what this filter means. It's story time. I was going to do it without, you know, the filter, but listen, I'm darker than the letters on the keyboard right now, boy. this filter saving me. Hold up. All right, so check this out. It's this dude in his class, right? He looked like he about 70 years old. Dude is like 39, 40 years old. Never would have guessed it, right? Anyway, he used to be a truck driver. He gave us a story. He talked too much. He gave a story about how, you know, he let his license expire on purpose and stuff like that, right? So he talking about he just gonna get here and knock this course out just so he can get his license. Bro, when I tell y'all this man can't drive, hold on. Before I start, I'm gonna show y'all. I call them big socks. Because you know how the socks, the heel ain't supposed to be on your calf muscle. You know what I'm saying? Like, he got these big socks with the gray bottoms. And like the heel is, I'm just gonna show y'all. Hold on.
What time did it take us? Well, it only took us 5 minutes.
So anyway, Mr. Big Socks look old. He got no teeth. Like, all this is gone. So like, hey, the recruiter for the truck company came in, right? I feel bad talking about this, man. Yo, buddy, they brought us Chick-fil-A sandwiches. I couldn't even eat mine because I was watching him eat. And I was like, man, just in case I choose stupid. Bro, he was biting the sandwich like, he was biting his ass with the one good tooth he had. I was like, hey, he putting them canines to work, boy. Anyway, y'all, when I tell y'all this dude cannot drive a truck, like, I don't know how this truck can still move. Like, if it was legs, he broke the ankle bone, the knee bone, the toe bone, he broke all the bones in the feet, you know what I'm saying? The hip bone connected to the no bone, because he fucked it up. Anyway, he getting mad at the truck, but he driving the truck. Buddy stops in the middle of the street. Ah, fucked up. He's like, you can't stop in the street, though. What you doing? So anyway, man, long story short, he messed up so bad that he had to go out and I don't know if they did this before, but I haven't heard the word remedial training in a while. They were like, yeah, we got some remedial driving going on today. So, y'all just go ahead and practice this, and this. And I'm just looking like, dang, only one going is Mr. Big Socks. Mr. I can do this because I did it. But it's everybody's fault but his. So I just stay out Mr. Big Socks' way because if he pissed me off, I'm just going to choke him with the rest of that sock he got hanging up. Because, you know, hey, since I got out the army, hey, I got no bearing. You know what I'm saying? I got no patience. You know what I'm saying? I'm lying. I got stuff to lose now. But anyway, that's my story, y'all. Hope y'all having a good day. I'm out here getting black. So, yeah. Y'all see me when I have my CDL, boy.
So, right now, man, my bad, man. Y'all, don't even worry about it. It's your boy, Right Lifestyle, checking out with another video.